Welcome everybody. Today we'll be looking at Cinnarch, which is an Arch Linux based distribution using Cinnamon as its desktop environment. As you know, Cinnamon was developed by the Linux Mint team as a replacement desktop for GNOME 3. And what it uses is a more of a traditional desktop interface, and unlike GNOME, makes it really easy to edit the appearance of your panel. So you can go in and change themes. You could use Minty, which is the default theme, or the Cinnamon theme. So let's see what this has to offer upon installation. Pacman XG, which is a package management program using the Pacman repositories for Arch Linux. Kind of cool. And of course you could always do the command line work if you're an Arch Linux user and prefer the command line. But maybe that's a good thing if you're trying out Arch Linux for the first time. Xnoise media player. Actually running this in a virtual box, so I don't have any music in here. Let's move on. Root terminal screenshot. Let's see, Shotwell. It doesn't look like it comes with GIMP upon install, but you could always add that later. Chromium is the default web browser. Pretty safe to say everyone loves Chromium. But you could always add Firefox or Midori or anything else you want. Let's see, what else do we got? LibreOffice installer. This is nice because LibreOffice is a rather large package installation. So in order to keep the default packages down to a minimum, they just offer the installer upon installation itself. Your basic preferences for Cinnamon. Flash is pre-installed. That's pretty simple. So since Cinnarch is based off of Arch Linux, it's a rolling release distribution, and I believe you can get it for 64-bit, but perhaps they offer a version for they have a 32-bit version, and it looks really clean. I think the only concern I have is that they didn't try to change up the file manager very much. I was kind of hoping they would have themed that, but you know, anyone that uses Arch Linux knows how to theme their system. So if you're a fan of, let's say, Linux Mint or the Cinnamon desktop, and you want to give Arch Linux a try for the first time, go ahead and check out Cinnarch, and let me know what you think in the comments